Hey guys, today I'm gonna do the vlog in English because I'm road tripping around with Sarah.
Hi.
And Boris.
Hi.
And this is gonna be a special vlog because it's a shared vlog between Boris and me. Boris is a Hungarian travel blogger, so she's gonna overtake from here.
Alright, so hi guys, this is my first vlog and I'm really happy that I have someone who helps me doing it. I don't know, it might be my last as well because I'm not a vlogger, I'm a blogger and I have no clue how to do it. So I'm super happy to finally be able to show you how my days look like. So today, we started yesterday and we rented this car, which was like really difficult for like 3 hours. We tried to get it, but at the end we got it. And now we are in La Fortuna. We're gonna go to see a waterfall and then we're gonna go and hike a volcano, if I'm not wrong.
No, you're perfectly right. But before we're gonna show you how we hiked the volcano, I'm gonna take you back to the beginning and show you how we got here.
So good, but I'm hungry again and I only ate an hour ago, so...
For our in our rooms. This is ridiculous. And then this is a picture of how it looks in a 525 meters entrance from the paved 468th Street. Oh, that's the yellow line. Look at that. Is that the yellow line? Is it? Do you see yellow? Okay, so we need to get in and then... Oh yeah, we need to get in there. That's the yellow line.
I trust you.
Okay, that's a good thing. Yay! We made it!
That's how it looks when digital nomads go traveling.
Yeah, let's go. Where's the Wi-Fi?
Oh my god, we finally made it!
Cheers,
guys.
So that's how we got here. Let's start our day trip, hike up to the volcano.
Let's
Are you
go!
excited?
Yeah, let's go!
Yes.
If I had one breath left to spend,
Okay, so it turns out we cannot go for the hike because the government blocked it for some reason that we don't know. And yeah, so I guess the waterfall it is.
spend my days any
We're
other
still
way
hungry. We don't have
with you.
Awesome! And I'm happy it's not raining so I can launch my drone later.
Oh yeah!
Okay, we're having some trouble to launch the drone because there's a really strong magnetic field around and the GPS doesn't pick up. But I just met another vlogger. This is Zeke from Las Vegas.
What's up, everybody?
What are you vlogging about?
My travels through South America. I was in Medellin and Cartagena and Panama, and now I'm here. So I can't wait to see this waterfall, you guys, for sure.
As I try to bring myself to ever want to breathe again, I need you. I give you all of me. I'll be the best that I can be. And I know I'm not perfect, babe, but I promise I'll try every day to make you smile and make you laugh. soul with yours and yours with mine. Give you all of me and intertwine.
So this waterfall really was amazing. It was huge. Really reminds me of the ones in Norway. Just with this tropical feeling around, with all these palms and banana plants, and it was so beautiful. So now we are trying to find another place where we could hike somewhere around the volcano after this track was blocked. Maybe we can go up there with our 4x4 and yeah, swim a bit in the lake and see the volcanoes. This area is actually quite famous for the volcanoes, so it would be nice to get closer to them.
Okay, I'm eating the most disgusting looking food I've ever seen in my whole life. It looks like a dead alien. And it's supposed to be black bean soup, Costa Rican specialty. And even though it doesn't taste really bad, it just looks so ugly that I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat it.
What does it smell like?
Eggs. There you go, you like eggs.
Not with that, not black like that. My food is great, you should have a go. No, it's okay.
Still no, it's a still no.
At my 8th birthday or something, my grandfather gave me like a tiny, really cheap camera, but I never did anything with it because I didn't have an edit program, I didn't have a laptop at this time or anything. So for many years I didn't film at all. And when I started my travel blog in 2014, I thought about maybe it could be a good reason to get into video making. Plans changed a bit because the hiking track is closed, so we're just gonna go to the hot springs, but it's raining really, really bad, so we're just gonna go there in our board shorts and bikini. And then we go back to the house to change. Wow, this was so much fun. I wish I could have taken you, but unfortunately I forgot my waterproof camera. We found the hot springs. It was kind of a river, and in the river there were like little pools with the hot water in, and it was such an amazing feeling just to jump in there. We've been watching the sunset there indirectly in the colors of the fog and the clouds above us. It was just magic in there, like with all the birds around and the frogs, and just feeling this warm water surrounding you.
There were frogs?
They were frogs.
Frogs?
Yeah.
Wait a second.
So yeah, it was a really, really fun day of our Costa Rica road trip. Tomorrow, what are we gonna do tomorrow?
We're gonna wake up early, that's what I know for sure. And then we're gonna go to Monteverde.
That's the zipline, right?
Yeah, but this is a plan, but so far it seems that whatever we plan, it changes constantly, so don't take anything for granted what we say.
Tomorrow you're gonna see what we're doing. Stay tuned.